Hello, my name is Blue Evans, and today I'm going to be showing you the 1974 Mako 20, powered by the, I think it's a 1988 Yamaha two-stroke. It's either 87 or 88 from what I can tell. Two-stroke Yamaha 150. I'm going to show you down in the bilge here. Pretty much bone dry. We've been in the water now about 20 minutes. Of course, you got some sea cocks here for your bait tanks, your fish keepers. It's got a downrigger on it. Got rod holders going along the starboard side. There's just some more fishing pole holders on the side of the console. It's got a big bow rail with plenty of room to walk up front on the bow. We'll scan around to the port side. Same setup over here. Just want to hit on the floor a minute. The floor's solid as can be. However, it's showing a little delamination here from, looks like from where someone painted it. Bear with me. There's some storage there. There's your bait tank there, or fish tank, whatever you want to call it. Center console. This is the bait tank. Here's your bait tank right here. It is not an aerated bait tank. This boat does not have any pumps that pump water in it. It's all gravity fed. Let's see, storage up under the center console. It's got your battery, your fuel gauge. Let's see here, you got two pedestal captain chairs. Again, this thing's powered by the Yamaha two-stroke 150. It runs out fine, as y'all see here in just a minute. For more information on this Mako boat, you're more than welcome to contact me at 770-720-2922 or email us at sales@mariettamarine.com. I hope you enjoy. Alright, man. Hit it right there. Comes up on plane, very nice. For a thing, just a heavy old